Dancehall artist Spragga Benz's lifestyle. Carlton Errington Grant, born on May 30, 1969, and better known by his stage name Spragga Benz, is a prominent Jamaican dancehall DJ. In the late 1990s, he initiated the Stay in School program to assist underprivileged students in Franklin Town, his hometown. Tragically, on August 23, 2008, his 17-year-old son, Carlton Carlisle Grant Jr., who had portrayed a younger version of Benz's character in the film Shottas, and was fatally shot by local police in Kingston, Jamaica. According to the police, they had stopped two men on a bicycle in the Kingston 8 area, and one of the men allegedly opened fire on them. The officers returned fire, and the men fled. Upon searching the area, the police discovered Grant Jr. with gunshot wounds and found him in possession of a .45 semi-automatic pistol. Despite being rushed to the hospital, Grant Jr. was pronounced dead. In response to this devastating loss, Spragga Benz established the Carlyle Foundation, aiming to support and uplift local youths in the community. Before we continue, kindly hit that subscription button to help our community grow. Career. Spragga Benz, born Carlton Errington Grant, embarked on his music career around 1991. Originally nicknamed Spaghetti due to his tall and slim build, he later became known simply as Spragga. The E Benz A in his stage name is derived from the LA Benz sound system, where he first ventured into the music industry. His breakthrough came unexpectedly during a dubplate recording session with the renowned Buju Banton. Buju, slated to record 4 tracks for LA Benz, completed only 2 and suggested that Spragga record the remaining tracks. Despite being new to the recording process, Spragga improvised and delivered a Love Me Gun, a track that quickly gained popularity. Spragga Benz rapidly emerged as a sought-after performer, collaborating with esteemed producers like Bobby Digital. He produced hits such as Coulda Deals with Winston Riley and Girls Hooray with Steely and Clevie, which were included in his debut album, Jack It Up, 1994. His rising fame caught the attention of Capitol Records, leading to a contract and the release of his second album, Uncommonly Smooth, in 1995. This album featured notable duets with Chevelle Franklin, A1 Lover, and Ben E. King, a Spanish Harlemsh. However, despite its quality, the album did not achieve the expected commercial success, resulting in Capitol dropping Spragga from their label. Undeterred by this setback, Spragga continued to release singles in Jamaica and collaborated with international artists such as Wyclef Jean and KRS-One. In 1999, he recorded a Clash album with Beanie Man titled Too Bad DJs, and achieved a #1 Jamaican hit with She Not Ready Yet, Hype Up, which was included in his third album, Fully Loaded, 2000. This album featured collaborations with Lady Saw, a Backshot and Foxy Brown, 2 Stush, and was co-produced by house music legend Todd Terry. In 2000, Spragga Benz ventured into acting, making his debut in the film Brooklyn Babylon. The following year, he played a leading role in the gangster film Shottas. In 2002, he released his 4th album, Thug Nature. Seeking to expand his reach into the US market, Spragga recorded several duets in 2003 with artists like Carly Simon, Kevin Little, and Shannon. In July 2007, he co-hosted the Urban Music Awards in New York alongside Foxy Brown. His contributions to the music industry were recognized when he was nominated for 3 awards at the inaugural Caribbean Urban Music Awards held in Jamaica in April 2008. Spragga Benz continued to innovate and evolve as an artist. On August 31, 2010, he released his 6th solo album, Shotta Culture. This album, like his previous works, showcased his distinctive style and lyrical prowess. In 2019, Spragga achieved significant success with his album Killiagon, which topped the Billboard Reggae Albums chart. This achievement underscored his enduring influence and relevance in the dancehall scene. Throughout his career, Spragga Benz has remained a prominent figure in dancehall music, known for his distinctive voice and impactful contributions to the genre. His journey from a young DJ in the LA Benz sound system to an internationally recognized artist is a testament to his talent, resilience, and passion for music. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to this channel for more amazing news.